Hi, I'm Amy at Root Wellness Studio, and I'm just trying to continue to share brief videos giving you nervous system and trauma, shock, and grief support in the aftermath of this terrible tragedy that just happened this past Monday. So this is just a quick, probably 2-minute video between sessions with clients right now, and I just wanted to share the tool of using orienting or orientation to help your nervous system anchor to the present moment and to help your consciousness be embodied so that you can find a sense of internal security no matter what the shock waves or traumatic stress or emotions and grief that are moving through your body and through your field. So orienting is a way that you use your senses in order to get you into the present moment. So the way that I like to do it is visual. I like to find 5 objects or even 5 colors that I'm going to tune in very slowly, mindfully, and specifically with. So I might say, what are 5 shades of blue that I see around me? And then I let my eyes kind of trace the room or the space that I'm in until I find something, and then I let myself spend maybe 5 to 10 seconds really looking at that color of blue, taking it in, letting my mind connect with it and understand it, letting myself be so connected to just that shade of blue or that object that I can be very present and mindful in that one moment. And then switching to the next one. This helps to also integrate the right and left hemispheres of the brain because you're using sensory color information, and then you're kind of counting and looking at details at the same time. Any kind of bilateral connection is something that will also help you. You can also use sounds or other kinds of sensory experiences, or some people like to just find 5 objects and let their eyes just really stare at, trace, name, label what the object is. So any of these orientation or orienting tools should help for nervous system regulation. And just to normalize again, it's quite normal that all of us are still very ungrounded, very reactive, very much having waves of traumatic stress that seem to come from almost no trigger. There's just a ripple of traumatic stress moving through our entire community, constantly kind of reverberating off of each other. Our social nervous systems are super overactive right now, and the more you can come into these moments of presence and mindfulness with yourself, using tools like orienting, the more we will start to be able to be more in connection and more in healing in the aftermath of this horrible situation. Sending you all love and healing energy, and I will continue to share little tools and information as I can.